Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to log into the Messenger app on your PC with the latest updates. Whether you're catching up with friends, staying connected with work colleagues, or simply enjoying your social interactions, logging in to Messenger on your computer can empower your chatting experience like never before. So, let's get started with the step-by-step process that will have you logged in no time. Step 1. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the official website or your app store to get it installed. Step 2. Once the app is open, you'll see the login screen. Here, enter your email address or the phone number associated with your Facebook account. Make sure you double-check for any typing errors to ensure a smooth login. Step 3. Now, enter your password. This is an essential step, so type carefully. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a Forgot Password link you can click on to reset it. Step 4. Finally confirm your login. Just hit the login button and voila! You're all set to start messaging your friends and family. And there you have it, a straightforward method to log into your Messenger app on PC. With these easy-to-follow steps, you'll be chatting away in just a few moments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.